Hi, this is Team Bug Assassins from NITK Surathkal. This application was developed for the Quicker Hackathon, which was held from 12th to 13th September 2015. And this application name, as you can see, is QuickView. This application was developed for the data visualization as well as data processing for the Quicker ads. And we have used the Quicker APIs provided by them for the visualization purpose as well as the data processing purpose. The main idea of this app, as you can see, is processing and different data for the all kinds of different ads, and the different features of the application are live features of the Quicker platform, in which we have multiple users for the in which we have the live users and as well as the buyers and sellers which are currently online. Then we have the trending products which are currently on Quicker. Then we have the heat map for all the ads which will be described later, and then we have the visualization for the ad locations on the map in the map view. So now going to the visualizations of the ad locations, first we'll demonstrate that. In this application, in this feature, what we are having is based on a different ads, based on a different location, we are plotting the markers on different places, and this is providing a map view of all the ads, and it is quite beneficial in some cases. As you can see, if you're new to a certain city or new to a certain area, then you could go to the Quicker, which provides you a image or a link to the ad, and then you can set off your deal with the seller. But then again, you have to go to the map to select the location or find the location, as you don't know the location. So we tried to provide a easier approach for that. We have plotted all the markers, and we tried to use another feature in which we could hover over the marker, which could provide a link to that particular ad. But since I think we didn't have access to the ads link in the APIs, so currently we couldn't do that. But yeah, this was also a feature which we had decided. And now we would move forward for the tracking activities as well as the live trending feature of our application, which would be taken over by Ashish.
Hello, so now we will see the live visualization of Quicker platform. So here we'll go, and this is a live visualization for Quicker platform. So it takes from the live on Quicker API and plots the number of ads posted in last minute, as well as the active chat and online user. So the graph updates itself every minute. So I've just recorded some of the sample graph that I'll show you. So here is for last 1 hour from 10:55 p.m. to 11:50 p.m. You can see how the number of ads posted per minute have been ranging from say 200 to around more than 700 at this point of time, and so the peak count has been around 700 ads per minute. This is an active chart. This is a plot of number of active chats as well as online users. So there are two different scales note, and we have also provided different scales, say power and log and linear, so that it helps in data visualization. And this graph updates itself every minute, and it automatically queries the live on Quicker API, and it just updates the graph, and next we will see the trending. So this is a visualization for the Quicker trending products on Quicker. So as you can see, this is a bubble chart, and the size of the bubble denotes the amount of trending. So the largest bubble denotes the most trending product. So I can simply select the city, and I can see what all what all products have been trending in that city. So it's an asynchronous call. So it will take some time to update, and so this uses the data driven documents g3.js API. So that's about it. Now we'll switch to the heat map visualization, and that will be discussed by my teammate Ajit Pandey.
Um, Hi, this is the heat map of our quicker classifieds. First, an introduction of heat map. Heat map is just a two-dimensional representation of data, which represented usually by colors. It helps us give us an immediate visual summary of information. As you can see, these red dots indicate that the number of ads in these locations are like very high density. We have done this by we actually counted the number of ads by category. So say suppose like you can update the selection, like currently the filters are like music, bikes, retail, and yeah, this is for selecting the city. These are the all the categories that you can select. Uh, this is just a New Delhi map. As you can see,
As we will just update this and we'll demonstrate it for the different city, so that you can get a better picture of how this works. So this is a heat map for Kolkata, and you can see that ags are more scattered here than the Delhi. So this uses the ags by category API on the provided by the Quicker API, and yeah, so.
So basically, this was our application which we have developed for the hackathon, and we had bulk of processing for this application. We have used all the data which were provided by Quicker APIs, and
Please note that we have cached all the data from the Quicker API in our own database, so that some of the visualization is
Optimized and-
somewhat optimized and
Fast.
and
Fast.
and
And since also the limits for the access for the Quicker APIs was limited to a certain number, which was 100 or 1000, so we could not perform it live for now. But yeah, we are currently performing based on our database, and if we are provided access to the Quicker APIs at a faster level, then we could directly use the Quicker APIs as well. So this was basically our application, and
we were also limited by the kind of queries we could execute, and most of the codes have been written in using Python and JavaScript. As
we'll just show the
we
one of
have
the JSON
passed all the data provided, so yeah, I won't go into much of the technical
Technical
details.
details.
So yeah, that's about it, and thank you.